Hope you guys have a great day today and welcome back to the channel. My name is Elvin.
My name is Amy.
I hope you guys have a great day today and welcome back to another video from Good Looking Chap. Introducing my daughter will be joining in this video. My name is Elvin.
My name is Amy.
So today we're going to unbox another Lego set which is from Lego creator, the Sunshine Surfer Van. So this set is set number 31079. It's for age 8 to 12 and it contains 379 pieces. So Amy, what do you think about the set? Speechless. So we're gonna unbox this. Okay, since it's a building kit, so we don't have numbers on the back. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bags.
4, 5,
2 books.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So in this 3-in-1, actually we can build 3 types of sets, but we're gonna just build one with my daughter. Then the second and third set we're going to gradually change the whole scenario of how it is built. So we're gonna build this on a turntable, as you all can see later video. So let's get building. There you go, guys. The end of the session. We build this car together.
Together.
So how, Amy? What's your opinion? You like the car?
Yes, I like the brand in this one. Tick up.
As you can see, the car is yellow in color. You have 2 minifigures in the set, and you have a barbecue set on top of the roof, which is this. And this one will be. What was this?
Huh?
What's this? Looks like a chair. A chair on top of the roof.
I want to know the chair.
See chair? What's the chair? This is also will be the chair.
Can I buka? Chair.
The chair. Okay. So and then this vehicle, actually the door is openable. Meaning to say, see the door can open.
It's still on top of the master.
I wonder this thing can be opened.
Maybe can this one is go on the kitchen, and this is no.
By the way, the roof is openable. You just have to flick this top, then the whole piece comes off. Okay, you can see inside. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, inside what you have your break table and your stove. There's a TV on top.
Where's the TV?
Yeah, TV there.
No, what is it?
Then your front steering, you have the steering, you have the
Let's see
seat,
with
you have the gear. Now you can put down.
Down.
Just put the figure in front. Just let the figure sit on here like this.
Sit down.
Yes.
Okay. Sit down. You sit down. Sit down.
She sat down.
You sit down.
Sat. Okay, then be.
Let's just go my face.
See, as you can see, the door is actually openable on the side like that. See,
Wow.
so it's a big caravan.
I want here.
It's okay.
I want here. I want the
Then the back at the cushion, no bathroom. Okay, one door only can be open. Then this side is not open. It's a decent size van for the minifigure. As you can see, you can fill in about 4 more minifigures, nicely packed in. It's a decent set. Is actually at the right size. So if you wanna go camping, you can bring the set together. Yes, Amy. Go camping with this set.
Today, can I do the around here to kitchen?
And this is a big kitchen.
I want the here. I want the here. Can I do here?
Okay.
Mana dia duduk?
Anyway. So thank you for watching. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get our latest video that we posted. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.